Welcome back to Louisville Now. I'm Gary White, and I'm here now with Andrew McKinney and Amalia Gamez, who are both with Metro IT, and we're going to be talking about a program that's coming up that's open to the public, and it is an open data forum that's going to be taking place in November. We'll get you all that information about how you can take part in this open data forum as well. But let's first of all talk a little bit about what is open data.
Sure, yeah. So open data is an idea and a program here in Metro that essentially states that government information should be made accessible in a free, transparent, and easy to find manner. It allows the public, residents, businesses in the community to learn more about government, learn more about their community, utilizing data. Our open data program was established in 2013, started off as an executive order, and then was permanently established as an ordinance in 2022 by Metro Council, which shows that we do promote transparency in government, release this information to the public so they can find the answers they're looking for.
And obviously you both are with Metro IT, so a lot of the data that is available on the computer, correct?
Correct.
For that, okay. So when we're talking about open data, that's something that kind of affects every department within Louisville Metro government, correct?
Correct. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So based off of our open data ordinance and our open data policy, each agency has designated an open data coordinator. That open data coordinator facilitates their open data program within their agency. From an IT standpoint, we manage the portal, we manage the platform and the avenue for them to promote and publish their open data. So we're kind of the face, if you will, from an IT standpoint, but then the agencies really own the data and they have the potential to put out there, what they're working on at that time.
So how does this impact the public and the community? What do they need to know about this?
Yeah, great question. So first off, our open data program is presented on a portal. We have lots of data that's out there. So if someone's looking to find out, more about city services, if they're trying to find out, where their tax dollars are going, as well as, trying to find some data to build their own apps or build their own tools to help their neighbors out, all that data is freely available and out there. We also have more visualizations that we're publishing. So, interactive reports, things like that to kind of get more people that maybe aren't used to working in spreadsheets and whatnot to interact with our data as well. So that's also available. But this data is also available to government employees too. It allows other agencies to see what other agencies are working on so they can collaborate, they can work together, be a bit more efficient, and work off the same set of data.
Okay. And so somebody in the community may be looking for this information for a study or for whatever kind of project they're working on, and this is how they can access it, correct?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
So, Amalia, can you tell us a little about the forum that you're going to be having? When is it? Where is it? Is it open to everybody?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're hosting the Open Data Forum. It's a free community event that will be hosted on November the 6th from 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. at the South Central Regional Library. If you're familiar with the Okolona area, that's going to be very close to Jefferson Mall, Jefferson Boulevard Street. And the goal of this event is to be able to get to the community. It's also open to Metro employees, kind of to discuss our open data program, the goals that we have established for ourselves in the next couple of months, but also to talk a little bit about the improvements that we have made and the strides on this fiscal year. For example, we had a really large increase on total users on our open data portal from fiscal year 24 to 25. We actually experienced a 49.3% of users accessing our open data portal from one year to the other. So we're wanting to build on this momentum and make sure that we're being accessible to the community for them to understand what the program is, the data that is available. There's also opportunity to learn specifically from some Metro agencies as well that will be presenting during the Open Data Forum. So we'll hope that you will be there, that you join us to learn more about the program. Registration, it's open currently, and it is required. You can actually visit our Louisville Metro Open Data Portal, which you can visit at data.louisvilleky.gov, and registration closes on October the 30th. So we really hope the community can join us to learn about the program and kind of like to see where we're heading with our Open Data program in the next couple of months.
Wonderful. And you did mention that a few departments will be having presentations. I believe it's the Office for Violence Prevention and the Health Department are going to be specifically speaking to some of their data that's open data, I guess, for everybody to access, right?
Correct. So Andrew was mentioning earlier, we do have visualizations available on our open data portal. So you can either consume the raw data and make your own assumptions and build your own visualizations, but our agencies have also done a really great job at showcasing the public data within visualizations. Specifically, the Office for Violence Prevention with their gun violence dashboard, and also our Health and Wellness Department with their health dashboard as well. So those are really cool ways for you to explore and see the data from different lenses rather than consuming the raw data. It makes it more accessible and more user-friendly as well for you to consume and see the progress made.
Fantastic. Now, is this the first time that you're having such a forum?
For this team, yes. During the COVID era, we had a bit of a break in public, events. So we've been sort of rebuilding our foundation. So this is the first time that we're doing a kind of a public forum where we're getting our agencies and the folks together in some time. So yeah, we're pretty excited.
Yeah.
And do you have goals for this as well? What's your hopes that the community can provide feedback on?
Yes, absolutely. We'd like for the community to really, once again, understand what's available and how they can consume it and to build partnerships. We would love for the universities and the researchers to consume our data and then help us in the long run as well with strategies and then just supporting our agencies as well. Just data enthusiasts, but at the same time, just our general public that wants to consume and know what's happening in government. That's our goal, for them to understand and to know how they can use it and to hear from them. What other aspects we should be looking into?
That's right. Yeah, one of the lines in our policy is public feedback. We organize our efforts based off of lots of different avenues of what data should we promote, and public feedback is the top. So when public are looking for something, when our residents are looking for something, we try to work with our agencies and within reason try to promote that data and publish that data to the open data portal as well. So this is a great opportunity for them to come meet the team, meet the agencies that are creating the data, and potentially look for some new data sets to publish.
Wonderful. Again, I'm talking with Amalia Gamez and with Andrew McKinney, who are with Metro IT. We're talking about the Open Data Forum. One more time, the date and time for the forum and where it's going to be.
Yes, November the 6th from 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. at the South Central Regional Library.
Great. And you can register and take part. Thank you very much for being here with us.
Thanks
Thanks for the opportunity.
All right, stay with us. We'll be back with more here on Louisville Now.